friends, welcome to Amrita GFX. My name is Amrita. Today we will learn how to create a blur background effect in Photoshop 2022. This is the final result. So let's start.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to leave, will you be right when I wait to save me? A superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep. You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. In every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to leave, will you be right when I wait to save me? A superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep. Oh, oh, and when I fall to leave, will you be right when I wait to save me? You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to leave, will you be right when I wait to save me? A superhero in your sleep.
That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update of the new video. Or if you want to connect with me, follow me on Instagram at @AmritaGFX. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know how to create wolf manipulation, you can click on this video. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next video.